Hello again, moving on from the Roman influence to the influence of the Angles and Saxons. These are people from two different countries, but they are referred to at the same time since they arrived about the same time to the British Islands. So they settled around 450 AD. The Angles, they came from southern Denmark, while the Saxons, they came from the north of Germany. These two people were not very friendly with the Celts and the descendants of the Romans, because they pushed them and drove them to the corners of England, for example, the city of Cornwall. The Anglo-Saxon replaced the Celtic language. The Anglo-Saxon language is usually referred to Old English. The Saxons, they settled in Wessex, Sussex, and Kent, and the Angles, they settled in Northumberland and East Anglia, and they lived in peace and traded with one another. And we can see traces from Anglo-Saxon in words like father, house, eat, sleep, drink, sheep, and cow.